Chris DeClerc here, irrigation specialist with Delta Plastics and Pipe Planner. We're going to go next level now on a rather complex field. We're coming right out of the water source, we're going right and we're going left with the polytubing and splitting the flow. In order to make it even more complicated, we got a lot of fall down one way and then a lot of climb down the other way. So let's go to the farm and check out the example. So here's the short run of pipe. It's got about 4 foot of fall along this line in order to water out this top section of the field. So what do we do in this particular situation? Well, we put these barrels underneath the pipe, we put rope squeezers underneath the pipe, and a lot of times that's done kind of in a haphazard approach. We punch the wrong holes and we kind of have an uneven distribution of water in the field. Well, along with that, we have this elevation climb all the way down the line. We didn't have any pressure along the polytubing here. The polytubing is rather flat down here at the very end. With that, we had a lot of blowouts right here at the pipe. The farmer was having to tend to the polytubing, was having to tend to watering out this field and babysit it pretty much all year round. So we went to Pipe Planner, figured out a better way to do it. Pipe Planner, by engaging this buildup calculation, will tell you exactly where to put a buildup and how high that buildup needs to be. So instead of using a bunch of barrels or a bunch of squeezers down this particular example, we're able to use one buildup, one mound of dirt, and we did that easily just by getting a tractor, digging up some dirt, building it up to 2.5 feet, and running the pipe right over the top of it. It was in the perfect place, it was the perfect height in order to hold pressure back uphill, but also to push pressure down this particular line, so we didn't have any blow-ups and we had good distribution of water. We're watering now this entire field all at the same time, watering it evenly with no blowouts and not a lot of barrels or buildups underneath this top part. This saved the producer a lot of time, it saved him a lot of money, and it saved him a lot of labor and not having to bounce around to this field and babysit it all year long. Make sure to stay tuned for more videos and subscribe to our YouTube page.